Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a really fun naked shake. It's one of my favorites. I have a lot of favorites. I don't know if you've noticed that or not. But what we're going to make today is a peanut butter cookie naked shake. And naked means there's nothing in here except for your basic Herbalife products. I know if you dig around in this channel, you'll see where we've made some really fun shakes. We've even, put syrup and, like caramel syrup, and we put cookies and we put graham crackers and puddings and all kinds of things in our shake. And that's really fun sometimes when you just need a variety or you need a treat and you want to stay on track. You can do that from time to time. But if you're on an active weight loss plan where you really want to get the job done and then go on about your life, this is what you want to do almost all the time. Just keep the shake really simple. Don't be adding a bunch of extra fruit or syrup or things like that. So today we're going to make another naked shake. But listen, every single week, you guys, we post a brand new recipe video right here on this channel. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you catch all of those. And also we do an additional video featuring the Herbalife Nutrition products that we're personally using, how we're using them, why we're using them, and just in general what to do with them. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. So what I have here is I want to make this one thick and milkshakey. So I have about 14 ice cubes in here, but what I did is I filled the ice to the, you really can't see that because it's white, but I filled to the 12-ounce mark. I put ice all the way up in there, and then I filled with water around the ice also up to the 12-ounce mark. And I've had those the ice cubes sitting in the water for probably about a minute and a half now, so they're starting to soften up, which gives my shake a much creamier texture. And like we've talked about before, the longer you blend your shake with ice, the creamier it's going to get. The less time you blend it, the more icy or frosty it's going to be. So in addition to blending it for a good long time, I also softened up my ice cubes to make it extra creamy and amazing. So let's get this mixed up. So what we're going to use today is our peanut cookie flavored PDM, protein drink mix. And guys, I say it every time and I'll say it every time again, the protein drink mix is so much more than just a protein powder. It's intended to give your body the vitamins and the minerals and the nutrients that it needs to feel and function its best. So this is not just Granny's protein powder, okay? So we're going to use 1 scoop of this because this one is for me. And it's really important to make sure you know what your protein number is, your personal protein number. And what that means is how many grams of protein you personally need to consume each day. And then what you can do, or what I do with my clients, is I break that up over each of their shakes, their snack, and their meal to make sure we hit that number by the end of the day. And that helps me know whether you want 1 scoop, 1.5, or 2 scoops of your protein drink mix in each one of your shakes. So there's always a link with these videos to get your own personal protein number. It's fast and it's easy and it's a real no hassle deal. And then I'm also going to use the cookies and cream Formula 1. Now the Formula 1 is the actual meal replacement. Again, loaded, guys, and this is because so many times we consume things and we fill up our bellies, but it's so nutrient void that our bodies are starving. So our belly feels full, but our bodies are starving, and that's a bad situation. So we're going to use 2 scoops. It's always 2 scoops of your Formula 1 in here. And if you wanted to, which you really don't need to, because this peanut cookie PDM has so much amazing, it tastes really like a peanut cookie. It's not just peanut buttery, it really tastes like a peanut cookie. And it has so much flavor that you really don't need to add more peanut butter. But if you wanted to, you could put a little bit of like the powdered peanut butter into your shake as well. I'm not going to do that today. Okay, so we have everything in the blender. And again, it's really important to make sure you have your ice and your fluid in the blender first so you don't lose a lot of your powders getting stuck to the side of your blender. And since I want this one to be extra super duper creamy today, I'm going to blend this for probably a minute and a half, maybe coming up on 2 minutes. But the longer you blend it, not only the smoother the ice cubes get, but you can also kind of whip it just a little bit. After the ice is all the way melted, then it'll start to get a little bit of air in it, so it gets even softer and even creamy. Okay, now we have this all mixed up. Smells so good. And just look at this texture. Oh my gosh. So there you go, you guys. That's all there is to it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us for the next video. And we watch all of the comments, so let us know what you enjoy seeing in these videos, what questions you have, so we can get those handled in upcoming videos. And if you enjoyed this one, make sure you hit that like button. That helps us out more than you know. Thanks for joining. See you next time.